The Bionaire twin reversible airflow window fan was clearly the most powerful fan we tried. And it comes with a handy remote control. It's not just more powerful, with its air reaching 8 feet farther than any other fans, it's also easier to install and use. Its 7 buttons let you independently set fan speed, airflow, thermostat, and auto or manual operation. Like most other fans we tested, the Bionaire has 3 speed settings. Installing the Bionaire was quite easy. It's also exceptionally easy to use, far easier than any other fan we tested. It has a button that powers the fan on and off and adjusts the power level between low, medium, and high. As Amazon customer Rocketship Jack writes, "I bought this product 3 years ago. It works great. It runs every day of the year, many days all 24 hours.